That is so cool. This is despair, true despair in my eyes while enjoying the ending at the same time. That was insane. I can't even. Yeah. It still has the hotel theme going on. It has like a manga-ish theme, like the infinity, the stairs. Look at that, the spiral, just like the last ending. Oh, is that straight from the manga? That looks beautiful. I like the muted colors. They're like muted. You know what I mean? And it's like this film grain over it. I love that. Oh, man. And then the blood on the stairs as we revisit the scene. Oh, okay. Oh, the manga shots. Wow. Wow. I love that. So that was my reaction to ending 6 of Chainsaw Man. If you want more Chainsaw Man, check out these videos over here.